Look at this. It's Nanay Mona's landscaping. Naku, may bagong business ka na naman na eh. Landscaping business. Hello. So beautiful. Tingnan mo naman ang landscaping ng aking butihing asawa. Tapos meron pa dito sa side. Look at that. And ito pa. Kita mo naman yan. Gaganda naman ito. Beautiful. Ganda na eh. Yeah, they like butterflies. Tingnan mo naman yung front view ng landscaping ng aking Madeir.